I am Reverend Dr. Ngozi Blessing Nwosu, and I am a Nigerian. I came to Philippines 2009, and I have stayed here for all this while. Haven't been able to try to join some other networking business, but there are a lot of mistakes. I lost my money and all that. So finally, I met Coach Joseph, and when I met him, that was last year, 2019. So Coach Joseph was able to introduce one particular company, but I didn't join that company that time. Nonetheless, he finally brought Synergreen. Because of my past experience, I told him I want to see the president of the company, the owner, and we scheduled a meeting then. To God be the glory, I came to see the president and was able to see the vice president. From there, that is how I began. So, right from that December, I actually did not take the Synergreen so much serious. Though when I met the president and the vice president, the thing was more clearer for me, and I kick off, but not that serious. Looking forward, my results started from this COVID-19. That was around March, and it was really superlative. I became more interested. I began to walk the system. To my greatest surprise, something began to happen. I was surprised that when I started introducing this business to Africans, my people, they began to be interested and come inside the system, and Coach Joseph helped me to talk to some of them. We started creating a group, and to my surprise, within a short time, within 3 to 4 months, I achieved my car. Could you imagine? And it didn't take time again. I became, around June, I was the top 24. Could you imagine? In the system of Synergreen, anybody can walk it. I surprisingly did according to what I was instructed to do. Following the system, do you know that I have qualified for South Korea? How many months from March till this time? It's not up to 6 months. But look at what I have achieved. And you know what? This is not my achievement. I really want to submit that if there are no coaches around me, if there are no Africans around me, if our team are not working, if the company is not there, how will I achieve anything? So I dedicate everything to the company, my teams, my coaches, all of them, all of you supported me to what I am today. It's really wonderful, and I believe that I have never actually become successful fully, because you cannot be successful unless you have successors. So I'm looking forward for all these our African people to be successful, and when I see them have the similar and more greater result like me, I will be more happier. So thank you very much for this wonderful time to talk. And to your own surprise, I'm going to get my car in a few minutes now. They have called me, so you will see the MG ZS Alpha. It's not a small car, it's machine. So thank you very much. God bless you. Humility is the bedrock to authority. If you want to succeed in Synergreen, be humble. I have a congregation here, but I studied nursing administration in my PhD, but I didn't say all these people, they didn't go to school. Some of them are this and no. I submitted to them. I listened to the instruction. I followed the system because the company is what it should be. So I followed the system. I humbled myself. I was trained. I want everybody who is joining Synergreen, humble yourself and accept to be trained. Because when you are trained, you have a weapon. It was because of the training that brought me to where I am now. And I'm still learning. So immediately you submit yourself, humble yourself, follow the system, walk the system, your result is not imminent. Your result is with you, because Synergreen company is a standard company that will give you what you deserve. They are not denying you anything. You will get everything that you deserve, especially the 6 ways to earn, and even the support system is there. The management is there to support you. So why will you not join? And I am encouraging those who really want to join this company. This is your time. Don't miss it. There are companies that are folding and sacking their staffs. Check them. Could fold this COVID-19, but our company is employing people. Could you imagine that? Employing people, and people are achieving their dreams. Let me tell you, the place you think that they are scamming or they are doing something wrong and you did not know much about it, is still the same place where the opportunity is and people are making it. I advise you to humble yourself. Come into Synergreen. This is your time. Come into Synergreen. This is your time, and you will be explosively manifest your dreams. The company is here to support you, have your dreams. Our chairman is a godly person. I have never seen. Could you imagine, even yesterday, chairman entered, our president entered another car and give us, look at me, who am I in this company? He gave us his car. Wow, they found a place where I will sleep. I really don't have much to say, but I am so much happy. I'm so much happy, filled with joy. This is my home. This is our retirement home. In Synergreen, we will live long, abundant.